Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm very excited because I'm unboxing the new Guard Pro trail camera that I've just received. So let's see what's in the box. First of all, quite a big box. And I'm intrigued because I've been reading and hearing and watching some sample videos on YouTube about this camera and promises to deliver great video shots, photos, and oh wow, now I understand why the box was so big. As you can see, we have a big solar panel, SP1000, and the Guard Pro X60 Pro Max.
This is a Pro.
We live
Max.
on a caravan site near Alwick, and wildlife is coming around all the time, and we already have a Guard Pro previous model, and to be honest, I've been amazed with what is going on in my backyard. We live at a caravan site and farms are around. Wildlife is visiting us every night. We have foxes, rabbits, jackals, I don't know, hedgehogs. One night a fox stole one of our chickens, and you would be surprised to see what's happening during the night around your property or around your home when you're not watching. Wildlife turns to life, has like a second life during the night. But let's see what's actually in the box. Let's start with the solar panel because it's a bigger box, and after that we'll continue with the Guard Pro X60 Pro Max. Let's see. So it's the model SP1000. It's really nice packed. I'm still thinking from where to open it. From here. Oh wow. The first view. It's quite a big one. You get the instruction manual. Keep it around because you might need it. You always need the booklet for different questions. It's quite a big one, and it's made to save you energy and make you friendly with the environment. Comes with the charging cable. This is if you want to have it static. Has the mount with dented. It's quite sturdy plastic. It's really nice. Has a strap and some screws. As you can see, you can adjust the position from here, and you can also adjust it from here. Have an angled position. Really nice. The model I have, it's a previous one and doesn't have a solar panel, but this will save us money in the long time. Let's put it aside. Just put it like this. Careful with the cables. And I like the color. This green camo suits it very well and hides it from the potential thieves, because you can just install the camera in the woods where no one sees it and just leave it there for a whole month or more. You need to be protected. Even if it has a plan option and GPS is included, you know the location, you just need to be protected. Let's see the next package. The camera trail itself. I like the compact package. As you can see, first view is the manuals. Keep this also on a side, but where you can have easily access. And then the most expected is the camera itself. Isn't it beautiful? It feels heavy, to be honest. It should be heavy, still sturdy, and it looks like it's built to keep up with different weather conditions like rain, snow, storms, mud, you name it. Really nice. What else is in the box? Is the strap, the antenna, and a USB-C cable. I think this is for the charging. And that's it. Nothing else left. Let's talk a little bit and see a little bit the camera itself. So, feels sturdy, has the Guard Pro sticker, so it's an original camera, has night vision, has no glow LED light, as you can see. Here you can connect your antenna, so you get coverage for your Guard Pro plan. And let's see it inside. You can open it not so easily. You can see. Has a little safety bracket. And ta-da! Nice big buttons, big screen, but I really like the color. See, you can hide it really well, and you can trick wildlife, animals. It has a SIM card already inserted by Guard Pro, and this is the battery. I'll remove the film before using it. It looks nice. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm so intrigued to see what's going around during the night. So guys, stay around, because I'm going to put this outside in the wild, and I'll come back with some photos and videos to see how it really is. Because this little pal promises to deliver perfect videos and perfect shots, and even lifetime shots. You can live stream with the plan, and you can see whatever is happening around your camera without being on the site. So stay assured that you can see what's happening behind you even when you're not there. If you're interested in buying one trail camera, I'll drop in the description a link to the website and a discount code if you want to use it. I'm happy to help you. Stick around, because in my first video with this trail camera, I'm going to show you both night and day videos to see how it really works. And I'm going to show you my first spot. Let's go. So this is it. The Tesla silver steel truss that we've built for this amazing trail camera. I will mount it on top of it. It has 4 meters, 16 feet tall, and I want to capture both day and night moments with everything that trespasses the gate. The gate is not ready, so during the night we get different animals coming and going this way. But with this steel truss and the trail camera, we are ready to catch trespassers. So stay close and watch our trail cameras videos that are going to come on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. If you own one of these cameras, drop a comment and tell us your fair opinion about it. Bye, until next time, keep yourself safe and watch out for the wild.